So I'm pretty bored. I actually just had my second shower for the day because we don't have any air conditioning in this building and it's like a heat wave. We're working today in the building and it's Canada Day, so it kind of sucks because we can't really go out and do anything. My hair is so thin after going off birth control. Look at this. Look at that. I started taking some B vitamins. I'll show you because I read online that biotin and different things in the B vitamins can help you, and apparently if you're on birth control it inhibits the absorption of vitamins and minerals, which I never knew, and I'm kind of glad I've been supplementing as much as I can. So this is the one that we have, and I don't think it's anything special. I'm really not sure. I know I'm a little bit skeptical of some vitamins, just the companies, because I've heard that they sometimes cheap out on the ingredients, and even though it says like 60 tablets or like 200 milligrams, whatever, you're not actually getting a full amount. So look at my coconut oil. It is pure liquid. It's so funny. We bought it and it was solid, but the apartment's like a sauna, so everything's just melting. Even I'm melting. But I'm just gonna put this in my hair right now and on my tattoo. I love coconut oil. Hey. So, Josh went back downstairs to his workshop, and I'm just using Windex to clean everything. Sorry, I'm still not good with using the camera. I'm just gonna clean with Windex. I don't know why I'm filming this, but there's no but. I don't know why I'm filming this. The stove is filthy. I'm using some vinegar to clean, but I think I'm gonna have to get something a bit stronger because it's too dirty. We're just renting here, but actually we're not even renting, we're just like on an employee plan, so not even on a lease, but I really want to maintain it because to me it's just really important to care for things that provide for you. I'm sure it's important to everyone, but I definitely don't take anything for granted in this life. Yeah, I don't take anything for granted in this life, even this rusted old stove. And I think of all the times I cook with this stove and I don't clean it after every use. And I probably should. It's probably very unhygienic. I clean the bathroom after every use, pretty much, like the sink and stuff. The kitchen, I'm very neglectful with. I think it kind of seems like an endless chore. But when you have the time, even if it's Canada Day, you make the time. And you get down on your knees and you clean the parts of the stove that you don't want to clean because you're a mature, independent woman. Alright, I'm just finishing cleaning up the sink. I did the last round of dishes for the day. It feels like, again, a never-ending job. Joshua left his glassware for me full of food because he forgot it in his work bag. But he said don't worry about it, he would get to it later. But he's pretty busy with work right now in the workshop, so I just decided to wash it for him. Oh my god, look at this hair. Oh, this is so soaked in coconut oil. It's disgusting. I can feel it on my hands. Oh, do you see how much hair I'm shedding? I'm so embarrassed by it. I really hope my body gets back in sync with itself. I was on the pill for 4 years and I just went off 2 months ago. I read online that this is a super common side effect of going off the pill, and overall I'm grateful for all my side effects. I've lost a teensy bit of weight. I haven't had any breakouts on my face, no acne or anything. I usually do break out a lot right here. But as most girls would know, when you go off the pill, you do experience a ton of side effects, especially physically. And the one thing I can't seem to escape is my hair thinning. And it makes me really insecure. I never really was a person that did much with my hair. I have dyed it, but not in a very, very long time. I like the natural color. I like it naturally curly, but I just hope it works out for me and I don't go totally bald and that it grows back, because I just, yeah, I'm rambling, but I'm not prepared for that, you know? It's been a blessing, this hair, my whole life, and if it ever gets taken from me, I will make do. I'll be positive about it. Probably invest in some cool wigs, some cool colors. I would never get to dye my hair because I don't want to have any damage to my hair. But overall, I just really want my hair to be back to how it once was, and I know that makes me kind of shallow. But please, if anyone has any advice to keep their locks healthy, I'm soaking it in coconut oil. I do castor oil. I've noticed a huge difference with castor oil on my eyebrows and eyelashes. I'm not wearing any mascara right now. They're already a little bit longer. Have a tiny bit of eyebrow powder in, but that's pretty much it for how I like to wear my face. Right now I'm greasy. It's a little bit of sweat from the heat, a little bit of coconut oil. So he found a bug. Hobbes. Hobbes, what are you sitting there for? What you doing? What is it? You never sit there. Do you want to watch the show for you? I found this cute little YouTube channel. They make videos for cats. I think I'll get in trouble if I actually film it, so I'll just film my hand. But you can search, yeah, videos for cats. It's already popping up there. And look, let's see if he notices. His ears are twitching. Hobies, come here. You can hear it, you just can't place it. Oh, maybe he could hear Daddy coming up the stairs. This is my giant cactus painting. It took me 2 days to make. I did a kind of watercolor background with a baby blue, and I painted these giant cactus and cacti? Oops. Hoobs! Hoobies! Hoobs! Hoobeth! What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you need to cut your nails? Do you want mommy to cut your nails? Hoobies? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hoobs, do you know it's Canada Day? Hoobs. I'm just gonna take you outside so that you can hear the birds. It's evening, so they're all going back home. And it is my favorite time of day to listen to them. I know people love them in the morning, but I love to sleep in. So for me, I love the evening when the sun is setting, listening to the birds. You can hear the tittering. This below us is where my bosses live. So, I don't know if anyone has to deal with bosses who potentially hate them like I do, but this is the first time in my life where an employer has really tried to devalue me. There's really no polite way to say it. I'm working for one of the most wickedest women in the world. There's something really wrong with her heart. Like, I always read about psychic vampires, and I don't really want to go here in my vlog, but I just have no coping mechanisms for dealing with someone so cruel and mean and kind of like paranoid. Like, she thinks I do certain things that I don't actually do, and I get blamed for things that I never did. And I really feel bad for her because the way that she sees the world is like a very defensive stance. Like, she thinks, yeah, I don't know. I hate that I let it get to me, but I just kind of want to have a peaceful work environment, and I'm working under someone that doesn't want that. She wants, I would say, she wants power when I'm a person who doesn't want power, so she's perceiving me as a threat or something. I really don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I'll pause this and this will be a whole nother video because I clearly don't have my own words here. And I hate saying bad things about people, especially if people are hurting and that there's a motive. Like, that's me and my personality. I want to figure out, is there a reason that you're acting this way? Is there a reason you're treating me this way? Because you're not actually doing this from a logical, real world perspective. Like, your reality is so different than my own. And sometimes I have a hard time putting myself in the other person's reality. I know this is not making any sense. I just always feel a little bit guilty when I shit talk someone. Even if they are trying to get me fired, I would just want to figure out, what is it? I love my job. I absolutely love my job. And I want to love my job. That's the other thing. I want to go to work and I want to have a peaceful work environment. I want to be talked to like a normal human being. I don't want to be berated for things I haven't done and that I've been accused of doing. I want to just have peace. I want someone to say good morning. I have to interact with her on a daily basis and every single day. It's literally the worst experience. Not to be dramatic, but I don't disagree. I'm not a very disagreeable person. It's a flaw in my personality. So the fact that I'm in a disagreed environment is like, I'm ranting. I'm so sorry. I just pushed play now, so it didn't take.
Wait, so you're recording?
Yes!
Oh, I love what you did with the kitchen. I can't do this. It's so unnatural.
You're being so weird. Okay.
The kitchen? I love it.
Okay.
What's she doing with it?
He said he likes the kitchen, which is great.
It looks good. I bet this smelled pretty bad.
I actually flushed it down the toilet.
Good move. How'd you get this back?
What do you mean? At least you have hair. Aww. Oh, you got it. Happy Canada Day. and the fireworks are starting. It's so nice.
Drop it.